Welcome to the MQLrobot EAS channel. In this video, we'll walk through the structure of the Hedge Losing Trade EA, built using the no-code FXdreema platform. This expert advisor, EA, is designed to help traders manage and potentially recover from losing trades through a dynamic hedging system. The logic of this EA begins with identifying trade signals using a basic EMA crossover strategy. Once a position is opened, the system keeps track of trade lots and account balance using internal variables. If the trade goes against the intended direction by a set number of pips, the EA triggers a hedging order in the opposite direction to reduce risk. Inside the FXdreema logic, you'll notice how we structure the EA to open trades based on EMA signals, adjust lots dynamically using lots, plus, and lots fix variables, monitor distance in pips with hedge distance. Pips. Hedge a losing trade automatically when a loss is detected. Close all positions once the profit target or stop criteria is met. One of the key elements is risk management. This EA allows you to hedge losses with increasing lot sizes to potentially neutralize the drawdown. While this system provides a useful automation approach, it's important to understand the risk of grid or martingale behavior, especially in volatile markets. Always backtest your strategy with 99.9% tick data and test thoroughly in demo before going live. Please note that the EA logic shown in this video may not fully represent the final product available on MQLrobot.com. Make sure to check the product page for updated features and details. If you're interested in learning how to build similar EAs without coding, don't forget to explore our full playlist, Build a Forex EA Robot, No Code, FXdreema. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more expert advisor breakdowns from MqlrobotEAs.